Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to import bookmarks into Opera GX if you are switching from another browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Opera. You can quickly bring all your bookmarks into Opera GX in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open Opera GX. Now click on the Opera GX menu in the top left corner. From the menu, hover mouse over bookmarks. After that, click on import bookmarks and settings. A new import bookmarks and settings window will appear. Click the drop down menu and choose the browser you want to import bookmarks, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Opera. If you have an exported bookmarks HTML file, choose bookmarks HTML file instead. Next, select the item you want to import. You can import bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords and other data depending on the selected source. Once you have made your selection, click on the import button. Wait for a few seconds while Opera GX imports your bookmarks. When the process is complete, click on the done button. If bookmarks bar is not visible at here, you need to click on the menu icon in the top left corner. Hover mouse over bookmarks and then check this one option, show bookmarks bar. Now this one bookmarks bar will be visible at the top. That's it. You have successfully imported bookmarks into Opera GX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.